Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set a default printer on Windows 11 PC. For this, first click on this one start button and type printer, and in the search results click on this one printers and scanners. On the right you will find all the printers that are installed on your PC. Click on any printer you want to set as default printer. Then scroll down and click on this one more devices and printers settings. Now under printers, select a printer you want to set as default and right click on that printer, and you will find an option set as default printer. Click on this one OK button. Now open any document you want to take a printout and then press Ctrl plus P to take a printout. You will find that printer is in top in printer list. That means that printer is default printer on your Windows 11 PC. When you will take a printout, it will automatically go to that printer, and in case you want to change the printer, under printer drop down menu select a new printer and then click on this one print button to take a printout in different printer other than default on your Windows 11 PC.